Hey guys, how's it going? How to make a carousel in webflow. So first of all, add a slider component. Alright, in the webflow designer, navigate to the add a panel and then drag and drop the slider component into your page or onto your page. The slider comes with two default slides. You can add more by clicking the plus button in the slider settings. To customize each side, click on a side and add your content, images, text, buttons, etc. and then style the slider. Make sure that the slider, and you can select the slider and then use the style panel to adjust dimensions, padding, and other styles as needed. And click on the slider and go to the settings panel and then adjust settings such as autoplay, transitional duration, and whether to show navigation, arrows, or dots. And then click the preview to see how your carousel functions, and then adjust styles and settings as necessary. Alright, you can add interactions or animations to the slides for more engaging experience, and then you can customize navigation arrows and dots for better styling. By following these steps, you should have a functional and stylish carousel setup in your webflow project. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.